This
Okay,
conference will
so
now be recorded.
yeah, you have to learn actually HANA. Okay. Most
Mhm.
the things and contents and the functionalities, everything is same in SQL
Okay.
and in HANA. Okay. That is
Mhm.
nothing change. But in HANA, you will get some additional reports, additional look, additional dashboard, which is not there in SQL. Okay. So you have to learn new things to compete new peoples, right? Otherwise, SQL, it is most of the companies using, but now companies are changing from SQL to HANA. Okay. So
Mhm. Okay.
yeah. And yeah, Girdhar sir, can I share my screen, please? If I was unable to do that. So, okay, so this is for Hana. Okay, so you have worked in which department? Means for which module in SAP B1 for 4 months?
I was a support consultant, so yeah, have been looking out everything.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's good.
Like
So you
not
are handling some
completely, but
tickets
yeah,
and
have
all.
been like idea on like all modules like sales,
ठीक है, no problem,
purchase,
no
and everything.
problem.
Yeah, have the
Yeah, yeah,
basic
yeah.
idea, not like completely,
Huh.
but yeah.
Hmm. That's good even. Means see, for freshers, or I mean to say, I'll consider you as a fresher only. Okay, but
Mhm.
means for college pass outs and fresher, it is a very good scope to come out from college and just enter directly in SAP, which you will get directly a office job. Okay, normally what will happen after getting out from college, mostly people are selling credit cards or any bank job, right? Like insurance. Correct.
Mhm.
So it's good, actually good to learn. Okay, for the future. And that's only for means for your information.
Yeah, I'm actually looking out for to get into SAP Business One again because I'm already
Mm-hmm.
familiar with it. So yeah,
Yeah.
I'm actually looking out, to get into the same thing again.
Mm. Sure, sure, sure. So how I'll share my screen? I'm not idea. Let me call to Girdhaji.
Like, so are there any other students will be attending, or it's only you and me? Like, how is it
No,
going to
I'll
be?
check with him. That's what I'm checking with him. Let me check and just give me a minute only. Yeah, Vishal, I'm back. So I'll share my screen.
Okay.
Fine. Hope you are able to see
Yeah,
my
it's visible.
wallpaper. Okay. So I'll just go through a simple thing, nine normal things which you should know actually. Okay, and why we are learning SAP B1, that you have to know. Okay, some basic
Mhm.
thing. This is just a demo. Okay, I'll not. It is not like that I'm starting a full class for you. Okay, now itself. But I will just give a demo and how much time will take to complete a course. What all things is included in the course. Okay, and
Mhm.
means what all things you are going to learn and how it will be helpful for your future. Okay, these all things will
Okay.
talk. Okay, just for a brief. Okay, and currently for this session, I think other student may not be going to join. If you have anyone else, you can even bring it along with you. Okay, so that could be
Okay.
interesting sessions. Okay,
Mm. Sure, sure.
should not be boring actually. Okay, first you have to make your mind to learn. Okay,
Mhm.
otherwise
Yeah, yeah.
you should not learn like schools. Okay, just listening and coming out. Don't do like that. It is no use
Mhm.
for you and for me also. For me, time waste. For you, money waste plus time waste both. Okay,
No,
so
no, I'm
please
actually
don't do that one.
taking it on a serious note. That's why I'm actually,
That's what,
trying to
I'm
reach
saying that.
reach here. Yeah, yeah, no.
Correct. Okay, so first the thing is very basic things I will take it to you. You know what is SAP? This is I will share with you. Okay, once we'll join it, uh, I will share this all data with you. SAP full form is this, okay, System Application and Data Product and Product in Data Processing. So we are processing the bulk of data through SAP from one to another SAP, otherwise from one to database to another database, else from one company to another company, or we have floatings. One company to other company means one is customer, one is vendor, and both data is there in the same system. Else multiple users from the multiple places can access only single server which is at one place and saving the data in the one server from different machines, correct? That is called
Mhm.
it's a basic overview of SAP. Then SAP is an ERP is what your enterprise resource planning means. Anything SAP is one software where which works as ERP means a software where you are able to do all the activities of a company. Okay,
Mhm.
like I can say an example which you know as a tally. Okay, so basically you are in India or you are outside of India.
Uh, India, India.
Okay, fine. So means accordingly I have to give you examples. Okay,
Mhm.
feasible examples, so I'm asking. Now, what is there is enterprise resource planning is everything in one system you are able to do complete process. The process includes your purchase, sales, production, MRP, and material management. Okay, then finance and banking and HR. Okay, most of the process will be included in the same system, same software, that is called ERP is SAP is the booming ERP which is all across the 147 countries. It is now booming very highly. Okay, apart of SAP there are many ERPs are there, like Zoho is there. You have heard might be Oracle also is an ERP. Okay, where many things can be incorporated in one software. Okay, now SAP is as company name also, as you know, SAP Labs. It is one company of SAP which is having many SAP softwares of the same company. Okay, so might be don't think that other SAP might be have heard like SAP MM, SAP SD, SAP this all right. Those all
Yeah,
things
yeah, heard
is the
about.
part of. Huh. So this is the major confusion actually with all the students I know. So mostly the people who even who are working in the job they have also. Okay, so we have this type of many SAP. This is just for some examples. There is 38 plus types of SAPs products which is launched by SAP company from Germany. Okay, so don't think this is different SAP, this is different SAP. Nothing. Only the product is different based on the company who will accept what based on their turnover of the business. Okay, so if company has in crores turnover, they will definitely accept ECC R3 or S4 HANA, which is for crores of turnover in a month. Okay, so and then other MSMEs is there, middle scale industries is there, or some like Accenture, some part is doing by SAP Business One, which you are going to learn. Okay, this one for medium to high scale industries, for small, medium, and medium to high scale, but not very high scale. I mean to say like ECC. So there is many type of this. This all is very famous. Apart of that, there is another 30 types of is there. Okay, now, so if you learn any one of that, it will be very useful for you. Okay, is then we have SAP is running on the platform. One is SQL, one is HANA. HANA is SAP own product, HANA, which is based on Linux. Okay, and Microsoft SQL is the Microsoft product, which is SQL, that is a platform where the SAP runs on. Now, may you have how the SAP runs on the SQL and HANA? Why there is two different platforms, right? So, if you say, I can give a simple example for you, easy understanding. We are running WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one
Mhm.
application. which called as a software. Okay, WhatsApp is nothing but an application like a SAP. WhatsApp runs on two types of phones. One is Android, another one is Apple. Correct? Right? So Android phone, you can say it's one platform which is SQL. Okay, Apple phone, which is you cannot run many things on that, and that is more secure. For security purpose it is more, and some more features is there which you will not get in the Android, right? But WhatsApp will be WhatsApp only, right? It will not change their features if you install it in Apple phone. Correct? Agreed?
Yeah.
Yeah. So only the thing, you have to learn new features of the platform, then you have to learn HANA, or normal all the features of SAP will be there in both. Okay.
Okay.
Only in HANA there is some additional reports will be there. Platform additional reports is there, dashboards is there, which you are going to learn in HANA, which you cannot learn in SQL. Okay. So
Okay.
that is one thing. So you understood why platform is okay. Both is similar for SAP. SAP is just a application. Okay. Now you see, this is SAP and SQL. So normally how the system setup will be there. This is just for and one small example. SQL, what will happen is SQL server will directly connect with client. You are connecting directly to the server and working, correct? But when if it is a SAP HANA, then HANA have two layer of connectivity. So the hacking of the server chances will be very less. Okay, that's why it is more. I will explain you in detail when we'll go through it in the first class. Okay, only you understood only this one as which is two platforms, SQL and HANA. Fine. So this is just a basic platform where all things we can do in SAP B1 that you already knows because you know the screens: purchase, finance, sales, service, CRM, project management, production, MRP, right? Many 16, 15 modules are there. Okay. So this is new. SAP is always booming new. Now, like earlier, only in premises is there, means in office we have to install one server, big server, and install the SAP. But now it is in cloud. Okay, for the company's purpose, basically, they no need to purchase a server for installing the SAP in their own business. They can just purchase a cloud space and they will install a SAP there and work on that. Okay, so this all things is there. Some of more countries, nearly this is 170 countries still. Okay, so I told you 147, but it is, yeah, this is, I think latest than this PDF as well. There is more countries are using SAP B1. Okay, so as you know, and I'll tell you the scope of SAP Business One is very very high in future because the country like India, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Singapore, Dubai, okay, they have n number of MSMEs, middle skill industries, right? In India, you have so many of MSMEs, right? And peoples are living from the tally and Excel sheet. They are leaving those software and they are coming up to the a fixed software, right? Which is where mostly all the products, means all the modules is giving by SAP only, like purchase, sales, inventory, all complete set with production and all. So this is just a small example. Now means now it is you can use SAP in mobile or means for approval purpose. Basically, we are using means directors or CEOs, people who are big people. They are mostly using for approvals and authorizations in mobile. They will just anywhere they will just click one thing. So this all is possible. Even uh, SAP B1, even it reached in that retail industries. If it is there, you see one, there is a app which is link, which is actually a portal app which is linked with your SAP system only, SAP server only, and they will place a purchase order and sales orders in the mobile itself, okay, directly in front of customer. Okay, so they are making sales order, purchase order immediately then and there to make the business, and that will get saved in the SAP. So those all good features even is there. When you learn, we have to learn more, more and more It will be in IT sector, there is no stop of learning. Clear? So these all things will be there. Okay. So this is just which we are going to learn. These all modules. Administration is basically for all. Okay, let me explain these all things in another way. Okay. And we learn this: approvals, alerts, automating mails, authorizations, project tracking, payment tracking, activities, report generation by writing a query, and bulk upload. Okay, so these all things I will give you an overview. So any doubt as of now?
Nothing, sir. Yeah.
Okay, you can call me Sachin, no problem. Okay, in
Okay.
IT, where it's this is very common. Okay, yeah.
Okay, done. Yeah.
So I will show you how we are going to proceed our training. Okay, once you will be okay for your present for your demo. So this course maximum will be for 25 days. Okay, we'll try to cover in 20 days, but I'll give you a grace period, means 20 25 days or 30 days also it will go based on that your understanding. It is, don't think again that I've written 20 days so it will be finished 20 days by hook or by crook. No, it's not like that. But until you will not understand, will not move to next module. Okay, so main thing is your understanding. Once you understand, then we'll move to next module and we'll try to finish within the time with your understanding is the first. Okay, now
Mm-hmm.
how we are using SAP B1. If you see, I'll show you one. This is the HANA. Okay, you might be not seen if you are working on SQL. Okay, so this is the SAP B1 icon. When you open, you will put password and user ID and password. Select the database, put user ID and password. That you will get it like this. Okay, it will open like this. So this is the dashboard in front of you. Sales process, purchase process, which is this is called a dashboard in HANA. Okay, financial process, stock management process, all processes is defined. And the dashboard, very nice feature in dashboard is what? If you enable this dashboard, you can see the process of sales completely and learn, means sales quotation, sales order, delivery. Then from delivery, if it return, otherwise AR invoice. If invoice is there, then credit note will happen, or down payment invoice will be linked with the invoice. Otherwise, then incoming payment will be there. Okay, these all will be linked with the these three things: reports, all sales report, and customer. Sales process will link with the customer side, correct? And same purchase
Mm-hmm.
process will link with your vendor side, supplier side, right? So, and finance process, what all things is we are doing, department is doing, users are doing, finance user, that is this. So the good feature of here is you no need to go for here, click here, click here. You want reports, you can click on this small button and you'll get this quotation related all the reports here. Okay, you want
Okay.
to make this, you want to make, see, just click this, it will open the report, just one click. Okay, if the data is there, it will come. Now if you want to make a invoice, directly click on this button, invoice, it will open invoice. Okay, so this is the good feature of dashboard here. Okay, that we can enable it here from the dashboard will enable. Even not only this, this I kept it only for the customer, but there is n number of report which we can keep it in the dashboard for the short purpose. Click on this, click on pencil button, and you see so many reports are there. Just click on this, it will enable, and that report will be visible in the backend if the data is there. Okay, so these many reports are there with chart, with graphs, and this is the beauty of this dashboard, which you will not found in the SQL. Okay,
So now
okay, so
are we dealing with HANA or SQL?
no, HANA only. I will teach you in HANA. That is good actually for platform. Everything is there. Functionality wise, everything is same. What you know in SQL, everything same in the HANA also.
But I actually need
Hmm.
it in SQL.
Huh. So you want to learn in SQL? I
Hmm.
will teach you SQL also, no issues. But same thing is that actually that HANA is more benefited to you. Anyway, that's good.
I'll do it like in the later process because I'm actually
Huh.
trying to apply for a company.
Huh.
So that's
So
actually running with the SQL platform right now.
Okay, okay. No
Yeah.
problem. No
So
problem. So all things will be same. You see, this is the SQL platform, correct? It looks like this. Oh, my license is expired. It looks like this, right? But there is no dashboard and all will not be there. Okay. So that we have to enable and that will not come extra with extra features. But all this, all functionalities except extra reports will be there in SQL also. Okay.
mhm.
If you are interested in SQL, I'm okay. I have SQL also. We can do it in
Because
SQL.
the
Hmm.
navigation would be easy because I'm actually
Hmm.
getting into a company which actually deals with SQL.
Hmm.
So it would be easy for the navigation part. Like, again, getting confused and all. Uh, I know that HANA is like, is the future, but at the moment it's like, I need to stick on to
Fine,
SQL.
fine. No
Yeah.
issues. I will give you a overview along with HANA. I will teach you in SQL only. Okay. So I'll give you for your future also. It will be good for that. See, but navigations is same in this. How you're saying the different. You are using what for navigations? Means for seeing this, you are going for where sales, purchase. We'll go for purchase order here, right? Oh, my license is not there actually here. I will upgrade it. So here also same. You'll go for purchase order. Everything same. Only color is different. So don't be worried for color. Anyway, your wish. So we'll go for SQL only. Okay, I'll show you with SQL. Okay, SQL and even HANA also I will show you. So for your, you can even write it in your CV that you learned in HANA. So it will be good approach for any interview. Okay,
Mm,
okay. Fine. So this modules, if you see, these modules is given like this, right? Administration, finance, CRM, opportunity, these all till service and project management, those things is there. Okay. So how we are going to learn is in this sequence, not in SAP sequence, what SAP is given, not in that sequence. We are going to learn in this sequence, but same SAP data only we are going to learn. Okay, not something additional or out of the SAP. We are not going to learn anything else. Okay, so this is all the module we are going to. First, we will learn business partner master data. Okay, which they are giving almost in middle. Huh? Why we are learning in this sequence, I will tell you. Actually, you will not find this in any of the other institute or training because they are teaching as the SAP given. They will teach first administration, then they will teach finance, CRM, opportunity, sales, purchase like this. Okay. Why I have changed my strategy to teach like this is because first you have to know what is business partners. Okay. Apart of that, before that, I will teach you basics, how to navigate, how to use shortcuts, toolbars, menu bars, okay, other views, everything. Then for every business, you see, you need four things. You know what four things?
customer,
First, yeah, tell me please.
yeah,
Any
customer
business,
vendor lead,
yeah, customer, vendor,
customer and
lead,
vendor.
yes.
Yeah.
Customer and vendor is your business partners, means whom you are doing business, purchasing and selling. Definitely, these
Hmm.
two things is mandatory for any type of business. Okay, either you open very small business or very very big business, you have to know these two persons, customers and vendors. Correct,
Yeah.
right? Then second is your item, right? Product. Which product you are going to sell or which product you are going to purchase, right? With those customers and vendors. Then second is item master. Third, what you are going to purchase. Once you purchase, then only you will sell. Correct? Right?
Yeah.
So raw materials. You have to purchase. First, you know the purchase process. Once you have customers with you, vendors with you, then you have to see if you are going to open any new business, what you'll do. First, you search what is the market strategy, right? How the market is there for which type of business. Correct? So once you decide the business, first you search your customers and vendors in the market. How you get a material very easily, how you get a customers for selling that material very easily in the market, right? So only you can grow your business, right? Don't think as you are learning SAP B1 as a consultant. Okay, you think always like you have your own company and doing this activity, then it will be easy for you to learn. Otherwise, if you see only this is bookish language I will learn, it is not just easy. Okay, it is, you have already gone through it 4 months. I don't know how much you have learned. Good if you learn more. Okay, so once you get vendors and customers, you have your item masters. Once you have your product, then you will do the purchase. Means once you decide your all products, right? Products in the sense finished goods, raw materials and semi-finished goods, including everything. Then you will purchase. Once you purchase, you will maintain the inventory in your warehouse. Once you maintain the inventory, you will maintain the item cost by including bill of material and resources. And once you maintain the item cost, you means you will find the how much cost we have to sell it, right? You purchase 10 materials, you bring it, assemble everything, made one FG product. Then first you need to find it how much I have to sell it, in what cost. Correct. So that all things you learn in resources and bill of material. Then for MRP is material requirement planning. This will give you, it is a planning of production, means how you produce the material, how you procure the material, means how you purchase the material, how you plan for production. So this is important. Then this all three is for production. If you have production industry, you require this. So currently you are working in what production industry, or it is trading, means just purchase and sales?
Sorry.
You are currently working in which type of industry, means just purchase and sales, or production also is there?
No, actually, we the company itself
Yeah.
runs on SAP, so
Hmm.
they have clients who use
Correct.
SAP software.
Okay, you okay, you are working as a consultant, right, for
Yeah,
SAP software?
consultant. Yeah.
Okay, 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 okay. Anyway, so good to, you can learn this also to resolve your issues, right? For the
Hmm.
for the companies, for the then opportunities and CRM is for the new opportunities will come. New opportunities is basically for what? For the customers, right? New customers, new opportunities will come to sell, right? Then once you
Hmm.
sell, then only money will come in, means finance takes place, right? Until you will not sell the product, finance will not takes place, correct? Then once you sell, what will happen after selling? Finance will come. Finance in the sense your AP and AR both. Okay, not this. Okay, AP and AR means, AP means accounts payable invoices, means purchase invoices, and AR means account receivable invoices, that is your sales invoices. Both will come in finance together after sales, or maybe in between also after purchase. Okay, so this is the process. After finance, once you, finance means you are make the documents for invoices. Invoices is basically tax invoices. And then banking will happen. Banking in the sense your incoming and outgoing payment. Okay, so incoming and outgoing payments, you will record it here. Or incoming outgoing payments may be different ways also, by checks, by RTGS, by NEFT, whatever. Okay, then after, once every process will complete, in terms of production industry, if every process will complete, then you will give the service of the product. Like we have purchased a water filter, we'll purchase a fridge, refrigerator in our home, then after we are giving service, right? So for service also companies are earning the money, correct? So that is also one of the business. Some companies are even open only service centers, correct? No products. So they are purchasing a mobile phones from Apple or Samsung, and they are giving only service. They are earning it, right? So that is only service type of company. Some companies like LG and all, they have refrigerator and fridge ACs. They are manufacturing as well as they are giving service also, correct? So it depends, it required for that industry or not. Okay, then your human resource is there, which is management of your all the employees data. Okay, here in SAP V1, payroll is not there. Okay, payroll is not available, but I will tell you how to maintain the payroll in SAP V1. Why payroll is not available? Okay, because payroll is the part of salary, making salary slips, okay, which is not be similar for employee to employee, company to company, country to country. Every places this is different. If you and me both are manager in the same company, then also your salary and my salary will never be same. Agreed? Right?
Yeah.
Right. So payroll cannot be made as standard. Okay. And this all modules is universal standard, which is using in universally in all the countries. Same process will be there for purchasing and selling of goods and earning profit, making profit. Okay. But payroll is not standard universally. Okay. We both are in same designation, same company, same position. Then also maybe you are getting something additional benefit which I am not getting. May I am getting some other additional benefits which you are not getting, right? But designation may be the same. So payroll is not an standard. But so payroll part means only salary slip part is not there in SAP B1. That can be customized and possible to make it in SAP B1, okay, for the users, for the companies, for the clients. But for human resource, basically completely here is all human resource data means all HR related, all employees data will be recording in the SAP B1 as a human resource model. Okay, that we'll see. After that, there is a project management for any of the project which you have taken. Project in the sense like if we have taken a project of Accenture. So Accenture, we are doing uh, in Accenture building one, building two, building three is there, suppose. Okay, so we can manage the project management. We are doing it for analysis and for tracking purpose. How much invoices we have made for Accenture building one, how much invoices we have made for Accenture building two, building three separately, and how much expenses we did for building one against that invoices. Okay, means how much expense, how much income we have made, and how much profit finally we are making to work for Accenture building one. Clear? So those all things we can maintain by the project wise. Each project wise project we can create it for the analysis and to get how many invoices or how much uh, cost we have spent. Okay, basically for P&L, profit and loss. Okay, so that we learn in project management. So then administration and standard reports, this both things I will teach along with the module. When I will teach inventory master, I will teach you the administration related setup as well as standard reports related to inventory only. If I will teach you bill of material and resources, I will tell setups for bill of material and resources and reports for bill of material resources here itself. So these two will be work in progress along with all the modules together. Otherwise, what will happen? I will teach everything. After that, I will say, oh, today I will teach you report of business partner. Then you have question, oh my God, business partner, what we did first day, forget. Correct. So
Hmm.
will not be do like this. Okay, so we'll do along with the module, we will tell you the configuration, setup and reports, all three things along with the module. Whenever we complete that module, along with module we'll complete this two also. So I have not written the timing here. Okay, so this mostly will take, as per me, this will take one session. Okay, and means each day, so it will take mostly 20 days for me to complete the course, including this all. Okay, and 39 hours, 39 to 40 hours you can say it will take as a normally. Else we can extend based on your understanding. Maybe sometimes I'm not available, sometimes you are not available. 20 days in the sense I'm saying 20 classes days. Okay, it's not like that from today onwards 20 days means 20th November will not close. Okay, it is like 20 days. Okay, clear? So hope all things is clear, and that's the reason I have taken this. Okay, because what will happen if today I will teach you finance first, because in SAP it is first finance, correct? So I'll teach you first finance, then definitely uh, you will say how your invoice is made. and how air invoice is made based on deliveries, how deliveries is made based on sales order, and sales order is made based on your quotation. Quotation is made based on uh, uh, this request, right? And from the purchase order, from the sales side, and then how customer came, right? How customer master data will load, or how where we'll create it. So those all questions will come if directly I will teach you finance, right? Finally, you will reach from here back to here. So why we'll start from here only, right? Not to here. Clear? Hope it is clear. If you have any question, you are feel free to ask, and if you're okay, you
So
go on
normally,
the
what are the
demo.
timings? Like,
Timings is you tell me your timing, so accordingly we can start.
which is the feasible time for
So
you
if it
to
is for me feasible time, every day morning 8 o'clock also is very good for me. Or if you
8
are
to 10?
huh, 8 to 10, 8 to 9:30, 8 to 10, like this will be there. See, everyone is teaching only 1 hour. I will give you, I will not complete just in 1 hour until my purpose is what? Until the topic is not finished, I will not leave that day. Okay. And that one topic will take 2 hours. Okay. This topic will take 2 hours. This topic will take 2 hours. This purchase will take 4 hours. 4 hours in the sense 2 days. Today 2 hours, tomorrow 2 hours, purchase will complete. Okay, like that. So I have already configured accordingly. I have planned like this, and that is more than enough. 2 hours is more than enough to understanding with your questions and all. Okay. If
Mm-hmm.
it is not understand, next day we'll repeat the same. Repeat in the sense we'll continue with the same.
So this will be a one-on-one session.
This all one session means per day 2 hours. One day. This is days.
No,
One day 2 hours.
this will be only between you and me, or are there any students?
No, no, no. It is not for all the student. It is not for you only. It is like this. Again, I'm saying this. Don't go for this. I'm saying it is based on your understanding of this module. If you not understand, we will. I will clear your doubts next day also. Okay. So the thing is, what will happen? Maximum, it will go beyond 20
No, no.
days
My
to
question is
25
that
days or 30. No, sorry.
my question is
Tell me.
that only I'll be joining the session, or is there anyone else who will be joining?
Yeah, that I'm not aware. You can check. I will check with Mr. Girdhar, and
Like,
if anyone is
you
joining, it's good for me.
you're working in IT, right?
Yes,
Mhm. Okay, so you're an SAP,
yes. That's it.
like SAP HANA. Which company? Sorry.
Sorry, I can't disclose this.
Okay.
See, it is like means this is not on office work, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So I can't disclose the company name. You don't worry for that. Okay, I have teach already. Okay, I have not given my introduction. Sorry for that. I have I can introduce you, but for myself, but it is only the company name I can't tell. That is, miss. Sorry,
Yeah, I
bother for
understand that.
that.
Yeah.
Okay, it will be. And so I have already in SAP B1. I have started from 2010. Okay,
Okay.
and I have 13 years experience of SAP B1, and I did more than 50 implementations by my alone. Okay, like you only I worked, like you only I have started. Okay, in 2010, and after that, after 12 years, after 13 years, I have I'm still as a for basically B1. Why I'm doing this training is only for my revision continuously. Otherwise, I will not forget. Okay, I should not forget the things. So only I'm myself also I'm revising to giving the trainings. Apart of that, I'm SAP FICO and SD consultant. Okay, SAP
Mm-hmm.
S4 HANA FICO and SD consultant. So means learning will never stop. That's what I'm saying. From last 4 years, I was in SAP SD and FICO consultants. So I'm
But
saying keep
consider,
learning. Yeah,
Mhm.
tell me.
But don't keep in mind that have already been into SAP Business One. Let's start on the basic,
Yeah,
basics.
Huh.
So that,
Okay.
if I
Okay.
have missed out anything, that would, be a new start. That's right.
No, see, I have never told you that I have more experience, so you have less, so I will teach you only less, or you have learned. I will take you as a very fresher. Okay. See, I will not tell. I know maybe you know this shortcuts creating how to open the windows from shortcuts, right? You know what is in toolbars. Okay. You know this. You know modules. Okay, this is print preview. This is for printing. This is for Excel downloading. This is for Word or PDF. You know this, correct? Everyone can
Yeah, I know
see
them,
and know.
but
But then
I
also I
know
will
them,
tell
but
you
yeah, I know them, but still, I want to start from the basics.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
because
So I'm
during that
saying,
internship, I was in a fun mode. I was not into the subject like completely. It was
of
like,
course, yes, yes.
uh,
So
so that's why
I'm
when I
saying,
start,
yeah.
like on a serious note, I want to start, from scratch. So,
Exactly. So even I'm also saying, ki you know this, then also I will tell you. It's not like that you know, so I will not tell. Okay, I will tell you everything. Only the thing is, I request one thing. When we'll start cake, when we'll start this, you have to keep a note and keep noting it hard with pen and copy also, and we'll record also session. Okay, so it will be good for you. Otherwise, if you'll not do practice, it after 6 months, definitely it will be same situation now where you are. Okay, so means it should not be. Okay, if you learn, utilize that. Okay.
do you take classes even on weekends?
Yeah, yeah. Weekends only mostly, but weekdays also. If you are available morning, 7:30 or 7 o'clock also is okay for me. 7 to 9 or 8 to 10. Okay.
See, the thing is, I might fly back to Ireland again. Like, I don't know
Mm-hmm.
probably when, but very shortly. So
Okay.
in between that, I
So
want to,
we'll change the
get through
time.
everything.
We'll change the time accordingly. Okay. No worries for the timings. Okay. Whenever you are
No, no,
available,
not about the timings.
we'll
I
try
just
to.
want to, start
Mm.
and start the course like as early as possible and finish it like as early as possible.
Yeah. Correct. Fine.
Missing out classes from my side or your side or anything that could prolong
Exactly.
yeah,
No, it will
the
not
learning
happen.
period.
See, I request again to you, if it is, see, that's what I told, don't go for this. If you are available, right, okay, this is taking 4 hours, right? As per me,
Mhm.
this will take 4 hours. 4 hours means 2 days, 2 2 hour session. If you are available 3 hours regularly, I can complete this in the same day.
Mhm.
Clear. Means it is not fixed. That's what I am saying. It again depends on your understanding. And if you are available 3 hours, I'll complete the purchase session in the same day. Okay, so it will not take even 20 days also. Correct.
Mhm.
Similar like for man, yeah, this also 4 hours I've kept. Okay, for easiness. See, this I kept only for those students basically who don't know anything, who don't know what is SAP. Correct. So there is different peoples. Even I'll get some students who already working 2 years in SAP B1, but they are working what? They are working only in one, like creating purchase order. That's it. They are not worked anything from last 2 years, only creating purchase orders, right? There is the things, means if there is a team, you are not authorized to do anything else, you are doing only purchase orders, right? So you will not learn and other things. So those peoples also there, they know SAP basics. These basics, they know everything, but they know only purchase order creation. They don't know how to do other things, how, what is the
That
mean of
would
other
apply
things.
for the people who are actually using SAP software, right?
Correct, but yeah,
But
you are learn.
we are consultants, so we
Yeah, you
actually
are
sell the
consultant, you
SAP
have to
software
know
to our clients.
exactly.
So we actually
Yes,
have to know each and every module, like in and out.
exactly. Why I'm saying this to you, because will get the student who don't know anything. What is SAP? He don't know. Okay, but we'll get some candidate like who has worked already in manufacturing industry. They are doing only purchase order. We'll get the
Mhm.
candidates who has joined like you in a SAP consulting company, and they want to learn completely what to do. Okay, so for you, as I'll tell you, for you is functionality is one part, but you have to learn basically how to implement. Correct.
Mm.
Full all things. You are not going to create a purchase order. You are not going to create a sales order on regular basis. Correct. But you,
Yeah.
if any problem will happen in purchase order or delivery or sales order, you are going to rectify that problem, right? The issue from the client. So as you are a consultant. So this only it's like train to trainer concept. First you will rectify the issue only when you know the functionality first. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, see, if we'll talk, what is the journal entry is coming wrong, suppose credit for credit note. Okay, how you'll rectify? You should know first
Mm-hmm.
what is credit note, right? Why we are making credit note? What should be the journal entry of credit note? Then only you can correct the journal entry of credit note if it is going wrong. Correct. Else
Mm-hmm.
directly I will tell you this is the journal entry of credit note. You by heart it. After that, definitely no use, right? It can't work every time same. It works on logics, right?
Okay. Sure.
So I know that where you want to learn, see these all things we will try to finish as soon as possible, except your administration will take more time as you are consultant. So I'll take implementation, setup and configuration which you need to learn to configure for your customers and give supports. Okay,
Okay.
clear then. I think yeah, any more questions you can ask, no issues.
That's it for now. Uh, so yeah. Like, what is the fee structure and everything? Like.
Fee structures actually you can talk to Girdharji only. Okay, so because I was just working for him, okay, for
Mm-hmm.
this training things. Okay, so that you will talk to him only. Whatever he is agreed, you talk to him for this. Yeah, and one thing, Vishal, what means just for my understanding, I'm asking, what you have did any implementation or you have been part of any implementation or only
No,
support?
no, only support for now.
Okay, only support. Okay, fine. So support, you are getting the tickets like this report is not working or
Yeah, yeah,
this
exactly.
right, something like that is this crystal.
Mm-hmm.
You have worked on
Yeah,
crystal reports and queries.
sorry?
You have worked on crystal report and queries as well for support.
No, no, not completely, but yeah.
Okay,
But
you started.
mostly it would be about, like, queries
Hmm.
about, like, have some issue with
Correct.
the production. Yeah, like
Yeah. So
with this
that you
table
need
or
to
something like
resolve
that.
from the
Mm-hmm.
configuration and setups. You will go there and resolve it based on that. Correct.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's good actually. You will learn very fast. But the thing is, you need to learn the administration. See how to build the base. First, you need to learn that how to do the implementation from starting onwards complete. Then you will know that where is the setup, okay, and what is happening. Like if anyone will tell payment run is not happening, right? Then what all things
Mm-hmm.
is there for the payment run in the banking, right? If payment run is not happening, means payment will automatically create incoming payment and outgoing payment for the customer and vendors according to their air invoices, AP invoices. Okay. So if
Mm-hmm.
payment run is not happening, that error they will take a screenshot and they will give it to you. You need to resolve. Right. But first you need
Yeah,
to
yeah.
know what is payment terms, how to do the setup of payment terms, where all is the setup of payment terms. In business partner master data, if you go, there is a payment terms and a payment method. Two tabs is there. Correct. In
Mm-hmm.
those tabs, you need to set up the payment related details. Then it will come to the payment, this one, right? Payment run and payment tab. If you set up this, payment terms, here you have to set up the payment vendor's bank account. Okay, then only it will go for outgoing payment. It will search vendor's bank account to pay, right? If it is
Mm-hmm.
not
Yep.
there, it will not come in the outgoing payment. Okay, and it will not come in the
Uh,
payment wizard. And here bank account details you need to search, that is house bank, our own bank account, from which bank to another which bank is going. Here you need to set
can you
up the
go into payment tips again?
which one, payment
Payment
tab
terms.
terms.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
So we'll even be learning even this, right? Like, any cash basis and everything, like each term.
Hmm. Each term, yeah, term is basically what?
Yeah, like
Payment
net
terms,
30, net 60, net 90, and all. Like 30 days
exactly.
period.
You can define it also according to the requirement, but this is used, payment terms is basically used for your aging report. You know what is aging report?
I do, but I don't remember it. And that's what I told you.
So,
Don't,
yeah. No, no, I'm
take
not
me as,
taking your
I've
exam.
already
Don't
worked
take it
on
in.
SAP,
No, no, no.
that was only for
Don't
a short period.
don't think I'm taking your exam. I'm just asking. It is because
No, no.
this is linked. This is linked with their 30 days, 60 days is what in aging report. If you go to finance, okay, here finance, finance report, accounting, aging, customer aging, and vendor aging. Okay, so here this is the vendor which a business partner was open in backend. That is vendor. So if you go customer and vendor, I'll open vendor. So in vendor, what is there is here it will give 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 120 days. Okay, whatever days you want, you can fix set it here manually and based on this date. When you run, system will show you. Here I have to select the branch. So system will run and show you how much payment you need to pay because this is vendor. How much payment you need to pay when, okay, to the vendors. Understood? And for customer side, it will say you how much payment you need to receive in how many days. Means 30 days, how much payment you this see this is open. So here you will see 0 to 30 days. This one, correct? 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, like this. So 0 to 30 days, you are going to receive, you are not going to receive this one payment. Okay. This payment is 960. You are not going to receive here. Okay. But okay, this total you are going to receive in 0 to 30 days. So here is not change, else it will come here 0 to 30 days. If this payment you are going to receive in 90 days, so this payment will be visible here. Okay. So if you change the date here based on the document date, usually see it is not defined here. You will open this. If you open this here in logistics, payment terms has to come. This is 30 days only. Okay. So it is visible in the 30 days. Okay. This 30
Hmm.
days is coming automatically based on this supplier, which is in the business partner master data. So only it is coming in the 0 to 30 days. If that is mapped, you see all is coming 0 to 30 days because this customer has not maintained their default 0 to 30 days only maintained for all. Else, if they maintain 60 days, this payment this payment will be visible here 60 30 to 60 days. If they maintain 45 days, it will visible here 61 to 90 days in this
So
column.
what we, like apply it in business partner, that would affect here, right? That's it.
What will applied in business partner, that will be default effect in the AP invoice or AR invoices. And
Yeah.
if you change in AR invoice, AP invoice, that will show here. This report is
Okay.
based on the invoices, not based on the business partner. Sometimes what will happen
Okay.
in business partner 30 days you defined, but manually when we are making the AP invoice or AR invoice, we go to accounting and change this. That time you can change. When you make it new invoice, that time you can change. So business partner may have 30 days, but here you can map 70 days or 90 days, 80 days, 120 days. So based on
Okay.
these days in the invoice, it will visible this
So there
report.
would even be someone who do it like the
Yes.
next day. So okay, based
Yes,
on that.
yes, yes, yes. See, it depends on that. Master data will be maintained by you or some other user in the client. But AP invoice is being maintained by the person who is doing AP invoice that time. Correct. So
Hmm.
if that particular invoice related, there is a terms and condition with the customer and vendor that this invoice please make it 90 days for credit. I will pay after 90 days only. Okay. So for this invoice only, you make it 90 days. But in business partner, it is 30 days only. So for this invoice related to this, for this particular invoice only will show in this 90 days period, 90 days bracket.
Mhm.
Okay, remaining will show as per their invoices, not based on as per business partner. As per
So
invoices, these are
so
their
even be learning all this like aging reports and everything, right?
exactly. Yes,
Like further.
yes. Okay, so this is called aging report, which is linked with your business, sorry, payment terms. So many
Hmm.
things are there. Means these all things kind of issues, tickets will come to you definitely. Okay,
But not only about tickets, I even want to get into implementation. Like the
exactly.
next
That's what I'm saying.
so
If you
the
learned
next step is that, right?
implementation,
So
yeah, if you learned implementation, you are able to solve your tickets very soon because what will happen, you know, in the implementation, in the setup, if you learn, you know where is that setup. Now, if I'll talk about if the problem will come for aging report, you should know where is the setup for aging report. Correct. For
that's what,
aging
yeah.
report, if it is uh, I also, when I was there in support like you very beginning, I'm also getting like aging report is coming wrong. Okay, why aging report coming wrong? We have to see where all that you need to know where we have to see where is the source. So source is first you have to see the setup of the payment terms, what is created. Setup of payment terms is created based on the posting date or document date. It should be document date only. Sometimes they will create a posting date and they will see in the document date. It will not be visible in the proper column. Okay, that is the
Mhm.
issue. So see the setup. After that, that setup is linked with the master data. Then master data with what is there in the master data and what is there in the invoice. What will happen is user will ask master data is I have mapped 30 days in a master data. Okay, business partner master data I mapped net 30 days. But my aging report is showing sorry, my aging report is showing in 60 days. This is wrong. Okay, that is not wrong because they are not seeing properly. 60 days is defined because it is defined in the invoice and report is taking from the invoice, not from master data. Okay,
Yeah, yeah, got it.
so
Mhm.
right, so this all is the issues and there is no uh, the thing is if we will not know where is the setup and based on which setup the report is fetching here, so only we are taking time to search and finally we'll get it. It's not like that we'll not get. But if you know these all setups, configuration, and implementation related, then we are able to know, we are able to resolve the errors easily without anybody help. We need to still do the R&D to resolve it.
Mhm.
Clear? So
Yep.
if this is just an example in a demo, what I'm giving to you, it's a demo. Not I can't tell you all the things here, but okay, it will be slowly. Everything is not possible in a day, right?
Okay, done. Yeah.
So
Fine then.
let me know your
Oh,
timing. Your timing, if it is okay for morning time, okay. Otherwise, uh, night also we can connect 10 o'clock,
mm, at what 10 to like till what time you're available?
10 to 11, 11:30, 10 to 11:30 or 12. I'm okay for any time because you see my office timing is actually the night time. Sometimes some critical issues is there for me. Okay, so I'll get stuck up. I can understand. So night time if it is there, if daytime will not happen, we'll try to connect night time also, same day. Okay, so we'll not skip the days. Okay, we'll try not to skip the days. In between, I am traveling also, so 1 or 2 days will get skipped up from my side. So that all will happen. Okay, sometime you will not available, sometime I am not available. Okay, this will be happen. So I'm not. That's why I'm saying I'm not fixed for 20 days, but yes, we'll try to cover as soon as possible. Okay.
Mhm.
See, because this is cannot be fixed for the time. Again, if you not understand exactly for 1 day, I need to explain you. Second day also will go. Like for demo itself is gone 1.5 hour, right? So you can't say it will be complete as very soon and 1 day itself, or it will take so much long time, right? It depends how much time it will take based on your understanding.
Mhm. Like You will be traveling in between, like, are you traveling
I'm
something?
traveling on 10th actually. I'm traveling on 9th night or 10th. Sorry, this number only. 10th I will not be available. 11th I will be available. Then
Okay,
then after yeah, then after maybe 119th or 26th I'm not available. That I will let update you one day before if when I will not available. Okay. I'll advance I'll update you. I have a function actually, so I'm traveling to my native. Okay, so
okay,
maybe I will try to get the time for at least 1 to 1.5 hour to continue. Okay, if it is there also.
okay.
Okay, because
Like,
usually
where is your
Saturday,
natal,
Sunday,
sir?
sorry,
Like, where
main
is your
native
natal?
is
Like, from
UP.
UP. Okay.
So I'll leave here and accordingly
Okay, okay, done. So
because
yeah, yeah, done.
office will be back.
Yeah, I'll get back to you then. So,
Okay.
how do I get your number and everything? Like after joining?
You confirm it. You confirm with you talk to Mr. Girdhar and confirm this all things. Okay. So then we'll accordingly we'll see. Okay, he will give my contact details to you. No issues. We'll connect then. Okay, because we need to. But and how we'll connect? You can you have this or you have Skype ID or I request you create one
Yeah,
Skype ID. That is
yeah, I have Skype.
because
That would be better actually.
because disconnections and all will not happen in Skype, which I have regularly doing.
Yeah, even the
Else
interface is like pretty good. This is not that good. So
Skype
yeah.
is good. If else, because else we can connect on Google Meet also. That is also okay for me. So anything better is Skype. I feel so, but Google Meet also is okay for me
Okay, no
because there
problem.
is
I'll get back to you.
no disconnections is there, and actually some of the other countries are not allowed for this Skype. So I'm asking if you have or not.
Oh
Fine
no,
then.
Skype would be better than yeah.
Yeah, Skype will be better. It is avoid disconnections. Yeah, and recording also will be easy there. Yeah, you can
Okay, okay,
record
done.
it, so it will be saved to your system directly.
Okay, done. Yeah.
Yeah,
So about the fee and everything, I need to talk to him.
yeah, correct. You can talk to him and let him know. So he will update me accordingly. We will start from when we need to start. If you want, we can start from tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll let
Your
you
wish.
know then.
Schedule.
But we'll go with the SQL thing only. Okay, not HANA.
Sure. Okay. Yeah.
Because the
No issues.
interface would be familiar for me, and even
Uh-huh.
navigating also would be easy. Okay,
Sure. So you are in Bangalore, Vishal, or means other
Hyderabad.
state? You are in Hyderabad. Okay,
And you from?
fine. No, I'm in Bangalore.
Okay,
Fine. So let him know. Okay. So I'll stop sharing my screen. So let him know and confirm. So we'll start when you want to start. We'll start. Okay. Or I'll ping my or you'll ping my if you can ping your Skype or ping to my Skype. I will ping you my Skype ID.
I'll do it here.
You confirm it, then I think that's better. We'll connect. Okay.
Okay, okay,
I'll
fine,
talk
no
to
problem.
I'll
Okay,
talk to yeah I'll talk to Girdhar. After that you can confirm. We'll connect it. We'll
okay, okay,
start
done.
then. Okay, Vishal. Thank you so much.
Mm.
If you have any more questions, keep it the questions. We'll clear your doubts. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
Good day.
Good day.
Yeah.